Dua for parents. Rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. Translation: My Lord, bestow on them your mercy, as they did bring me up when I was young. Al-Quran, Surat number 17, Ayat number 24. Rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. My Lord, have mercy on them, as they raised me when I was a child.